guys, so today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. I'm going to start off with my It Cosmetics Brow Powerful Pencil in the shade Universal Taupe. Okay, I absolutely love this shade if I'm trying to do more of a natural colored brow. You can definitely do a natural fill-in with this pencil without cleaning it up. No one can tell that you fill in your brows. It just looks like your own brow hairs, okay? So I'm just going to fill in my brows as usual. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn and clean these brows up because I prefer sculpted brows, especially when I'm doing a full face. I know a lot of you guys don't. And if you don't, that's fine. Just do whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable, okay? I'm using a small concealer brush to clean up my brow. And it's almost like we never stop posting tutorials. I feel like I just came in here without missing a beat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun filming it. I have a few looks already planned for you guys, beauty related looks and Halloween looks. So I hope you are excited for those. Now I'm going to go in with some Makeup Forever foundation. I believe this is the Y505. I might be incorrect, so I'll put the right number down below for you guys. And I'm just going to use this to clean the top part of my brow. Once you have that blended out, you can go in with your fingers and just kind of like blend it out some more so it melts into your skin. If you like to just fill your brows in without foundation, this will definitely help blend it out in to your skin, but I would suggest you use an exact match to your skin tone if you're just doing brows without a full face, okay? I'm going to go in with my Pro Primer from LA Girl in the shade Nude. I'm going to apply this to my lid and blend it out using a synthetic brush. Then go in with my Revolution Pro palette in Regeneration. This is like a very colorful palette, and I'm using the shade called Believer. It is a sage green matte shade. I'm going to apply this in my transition area using a blending brush, and we're just going to blend this out, windshield wiper motions back and forth, okay? Get that nice and smooth. Then I'm going to go in with this kind of strange green color. It's like an emerald green almost, I want to say. I don't know. I could have that color completely wrong, but it's not, you know, a typical green. It's called Poison, so I guess I'm going to blend these two colors in together with my blending brush. Same windshield wiper motions. Then I'm going to go in with this burgundy plum shade. It has like a purpley undertone to it, and I'm going to apply this in my crease. This shade is called Cursed. Very, very pretty shade if you're doing like Halloween looks, vampire looks, and you want to get that really like, you know, reddish vampire eye, bruised eye. You can definitely use this. Now going in with this Glamouflage concealer from Hard Candy. I'm not sure if they still sell this. I've had this one for a while, okay? I don't use it often. I just use it for like cut crease and stuff like that, or if I'm doing like a drag type look, but I haven't been doing those, so it just sits here. I'm going to use my concealer brush that I use to clean up my brows and cut my crease. And just take your time. If you're not used to doing this, take your time. It is not a race, okay? Take your time. Take your time. I'm going to go in with this beautiful pigment from Makeup Addiction. This one is called Ex-Boyfriend. And I'm just going to lightly pat this onto my lid. You do not need a lot of this pigment for it to show up. Just make sure you tap your brush when you dip into the jar because it picks up a lot. So tap your brush and then apply it. You don't need a lot of it, okay? And it's a really pretty duochrome shade. It looks brown, but it has a teal green type of reflect to it. Almost looks like blue brown. Is it blue brown or is it green blue brown from MAC? That's what it's called. Now going in with the Makeup Addiction Sinful Eyes palette. I'm going to use this bright yellowy toned gold shade and apply this closer to my tear duct area and bringing it in towards the Ex-Boyfriend shade, which is also from Makeup Addiction, and just blend those two together. That shade is called Heart Throb. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite liquid eyeliner. If you guys have a dupe for this that I can get from the drugstore with a similar brush and consistency and formula, please let me know. Okay, and this is the NYC liquid liner in black. I feel like I'm channeling my older version of myself on this channel, you know, with this tutorial. Got my wing going, got a cut crease going, you know. I'm really liking this. I feel like I regenerated myself to come back to YouTube. Okay, so I'm loving it. Now I'm going to use this glitter liner from Urban Decay. This is one of my favorites from them. It's called Distortion, and I'm just going to apply this over the yellow part of the cut crease area that's on the lid and the ex-boyfriend pigment shade from Makeup Addiction. Just take your time and apply it. You don't want to rub too hard or else it'll take your eyeshadow off, so gently apply it. Now I'm going to go in with my Sam Marcel mascara. I really like this mascara. It's not super thick, but it does the job. Then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Allure lashes. The style of these lashes is called Unconventional. Super cute, lots of volume. You know, they're not really, really long, but they are long. They're just not like 2 inches long, but they give you that nice full, you know, what do you call it, extension lash look. Okay, now I'm gonna use this ultimate eyeliner. This is a blue eyeliner from LA Girl. By the way, I do have a coupon code, an affiliate coupon code with them. If you care to use it, it will save you 10%. Okay, it's in the description box. So I lined my eyes with that beautiful blue eyeliner, and then I went in with a bit of the ex-boyfriend pigment from Makeup Addiction, and now I'm gonna go in with this pigment also from Makeup Addiction. It's called Inkjet, and just blend this in underneath my lower lashes just to make that cobalt blue pop a bit more. I'm going to add a bit of mascara to my bottom lashes, about 3 coats, just so they can, you know, get a little bit longer, and go under that with my glitter liner from Urban Decay, the Distortion shade. Okay, and this is it for the eye look. I hope you guys like it. I love these lashes. They're super feathery looking, not super thick, like you can see the look, but you still have that volume. I'm going to go in now with the It Cosmetics Foundation Primer and apply a bit of this to my face and rub it in. It's been such a long time since I've put foundation primer on my face, and love the way this one feels. Definitely try it out. It didn't break me out, so that's really nice. Okay, some primers do break me out, so yeah. And I hope you guys have seen the difference in my skin. I've really been working on it. Okay, I'm trying to keep this look for a long time. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever foundation. The shade is Y505, and I'm just gonna pat this on using a synthetic brush. You can use whatever brush you have available. Remember, you don't have to use every single item I use. Just use what you have. You don't have to go and rebuy or buy extra. Just use what you got. If you got similar colors, use that to recreate the look if you choose to recreate it. Okay, and you know, change it up. If you don't like the way I did it, change it and make it work for you. All right, so I'm just going to pat the foundation on, and I really, really love how this foundation feels on my skin. Not heavy, very lightweight, and the color is excellent. All right, so once I have that all blended out nice, I'm going to go in with my highlighting. For highlight, as usual, it's the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys know that is my absolute favorite. It's, you know, I do have others that I use. You know, I don't stray too often, but I do stray to other concealers. But I always come back to my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. It's what I started my channel with. I used to use Cool Tan. Oh my gosh. But then they came out with Fawn, and it made life better. Alright, I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend in my foundation to blend out my highlight. I am not really going for a super bright under eye highlight. Going for something a bit more subtle so it doesn't look, you know, too obvious. Okay, and just blend that in with a tapping motion. You don't want to do brush, you know, streaks like that. It's going to leave lines on your face and make your skin look like it has a lot of texture. So do a patting motion with your brush. And as you guys can see, I squeeze my brush to get it in between my brows and, you know, get it under my eye area. I'm going to use this Lancome powder. This is a translucent powder. It's a setting powder from them. It's amazing, you guys. It's expensive, but it really, really is amazing. If you want to treat yourself to something fancy, you know, makeup-wise, get a sample. Don't buy it. Just get a sample and then see if you want to buy it. But it's really, really cool. Love the way this powder just disappears when I apply it under the eye. It's like it melts into the skin. That's the best way I could describe it. Now I'm going to go in with the It's Your Face Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm using the deepest shade in the palette to add some dimension and shape back to my face. I'm also going to add a bit of this to my forehead area and also use a bit of it to contour. That part of the video is not really in this video. I didn't even realize my camera stopped filming, so we're just gonna go with the flow, okay? Okay? Just pretend it happened on camera. Now I'm gonna use a La Femme blush. Oh my gosh. OG subscribers, remember La Femme blushes? I don't know if people still go crazy over them, but this is the one in Cinnabar. It's so pretty. And for highlight, I'm using the Makeup Addiction Loose Highlight in the shade Bronzefied. And I'm just going to add a bit of this to my cheeks using a highlighting brush from Royal and Lanico. This is their Moda collection, if I'm not mistaken. I think, yes. I know I like to say the word if I'm not mistaken, but just in case I'm mistaken, you know, if I'm not mistaken. All right, I'm gonna highlight my bridge part of my nose, tip of my nose. And for lips, I'm using the OPV Liquid lipstick in the shade Divine. It's one of my favorite liquid lipsticks that's in this shade right here. It's a beautiful nudie brown shade. It's like caramel-y, just really pretty. Almost looks like apple juice and caramel. I don't know. That's how it looks to me. Really pretty color, and when it dries down, super super pretty. It does have an orangey look to it, so if you don't like orangey like browns, don't get this. But if you do, go ahead and grab it. All right, I've actually had this one for about, I want to say, 3 years, and it is still going strong, still very liquidy. From the first day I opened it till now, it is not dried out like other liquid lipsticks that I have bought and paid money for, and they dried out within a year. Okay, and just a bit more mascara to this look. The powder just went on my lashes just a bit, and they looked a little dull, so I just wanted them darker. And then I'm just going to go in with a tiny bit more of that deep shade from the It's Your Face Cosmetics contouring palette, just to deepen up my contour just a tad bit more, give me a bit more color here. Okay, and I'm going to clean up around my liquid lipstick with a bit of my foundation. That's not concealer, it's foundation. I'm just using the concealer brush because it's just easier to apply it just in the areas where I want it with this small concealer brush. This brush has been in a lot of my videos over the last 7.5 years, and even before I started YouTube, this brush was already in my life. I think I got it in 2010, and I started my channel in 2012. So this is the final look. No wig today. A little selfie for the gram. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. I check to see how many of you guys hit the notification bell on my entire channel. It showed me 7 to 8% of you only have notifications on. So if you don't want to miss anything, go ahead and hit that. And make sure you comment down below. It really helps my channel. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.